Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to look at the work that's going to be done in Montego Bay on the West Green Road and Barnett Street. Sorry, West Green Avenue and Barnett Street. So we are in Montego Bay now, and the government has a project called the Montego Bypass Road Project, which involves upgrading the road infrastructure in Montego Bay. It has four main parts. Part one is the building of the Montego Perimeter Road that will bypass the business district of Montego Bay. Part two is building the Long Hill Bypass, and part three is what we're going to focus on today. Part three is upgrading the Barnett Street and West Green Avenue. Okay, so at this point now where we are at this intersection, it's intersection of Barnett Street and West Green Avenue. So from this point towards Cottage Road, this Barnett Street is going to be renovated. So the Barnett Street improvement is the dualization of 1.06 kilometers of the existing two-lane road section from the intersection of West Green and Fairfield Road in a northerly direction and ending at Cottage Road. The proposed works will involve the construction of an additional two-lane bridge over the Mango Bay River in the vicinity of the Westgate Shopping Center. Implementation of this section of road is designed to complement the Montego Bay bypass by moving approximately 27,000 vehicles per day in and out of the central business district. Okay, so this bridge that you're looking at is the bridge you're talking about, and they're going to put an additional 2 lanes on this bridge, so the bridge will become 4 lanes. As you can see, the traffic is kind of heavy because this is one of the main routes into Montego Bay, especially the business district. So the intersection where we told you about, all the way back to where Cottage Road is close to where the Tasty Patties location is, the massive Tasty Patties. So that section of the road will be renovated. And on the right is the Westgate Shopping Center. And what is this car doing? I mean, Jamaica has some very indisciplined drivers. Okay. So on the right is the Westgate Shopping Center, and coming up on the left is going to be the Tasty location. So the government is really doing a good job in improving the road infrastructure in and around Montego Bay. Montego Bay is a very busy place. Okay, so this is what they're going to do with the Barnett Street. Now they're also going to renovate the West Green Avenue. And West Green runs from Howard Cook Boulevard all the way back to that intersection with Fairfield and Barnett Street. So let's look at what they're going to do on West Green, sorry. Okay, did we pass the... Okay. Alright, so on West Green Avenue, okay. West Green Avenue improvement is the dualization of the 0.82 kilometers of existing link road between Howard Cook Boulevard and Bogue Road at the Fairfield Road intersection. The construction will result in the removal of the existing roundabouts and the creation of signalized intersections, construction of sidewalks, concrete, median barrier, and drainage improvements. The aim is to improve the capacity mention the proposed Montego Bay bypass and reduce travel time. The length of the roadway is 0.82 kilometers. So basically, they're modernizing the road. Now, when you come off the Northern Coastal Highway, as it is now, okay, before we do that, okay, when you come off the Northern Coastal Highway, you can stay on the road that we are on now, you're looking at, and that takes you onto Barnett Street, and Barnett Street it's the busiest street in Montego Bay, Barnett Street. It has all the shops, all everything. It's the main street in Montego Bay, and that takes you into Montego Bay. That's the route we're on now. If you want to bypass Montego Bay, the town itself, the business district, and just head out, you would take Alice Eldemeyer Drive down to Howard Cook Boulevard, and then Howard Cook Boulevard will take you out via the hip strip. Now, Alice Eldemeyer Drive is also where you find the large shopping center down there. The name just slipped me. Fairview. And Fairview is a very busy shopping center. So the government decided to upgrade the road parallel to Alice Eldemeyer Drive, which is West Green Avenue. So they're going to take out the roundabouts and put in traffic lights, and they're going to modernize it, put in the concrete barricade. I'm trying to remember, Alice Eldemeyer Drive does have the concrete barricades, if I can remember. I think they do. And modernize it basically, because they're trying to have the traffic flow through the city as easily as possible. And with the building of the perimeter road and the building of the Long Hill bypass, and with the and they're also expanding the Northern Coastal Highway from 2 to 4 lanes, and Highway 2000 is going to end up in Montego Bay. That leg is going to be built soon. So they anticipate a lot more traffic, and the government is, I think, doing a very good job. And they have seen the growth in the tourist industry, they have seen the growth in Montego Bay, and they're fixing the road infrastructure in the city now to allow persons to move through the city quite easily and get into and out of the city quite easily. So I have to say that they're doing an excellent job, and when these roads are finished, it will add to the road networks that are already in place. So this is an excellent project, and it's being put into place by NROC and the Ministry of Economic Growth, and China Harbour Engineering Company is a contractor. They broke ground on the perimeter road over the weekend, so hopefully the project will get going very soon. And of course, we'll keep you updated, read the progress every step of the way. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe.